What you doing, Ashton?
Good boy.
You wash your hands?
More for gloves.
Go wash your hands.
Okay. Don't eat my food, okay? You don't do it.
Ashton, are you biting that apple?
Oh.
He's so cute.
You know what he's doing, right?
What?
He's sucking the juice out of it.
Yeah. His little gums.
Wash my hands.
Oh, where'd he go? Where did the TJ go? There he is. What you eating there, buddy?
Macaroni.
Macaroni. Daddy, what are you eating?
A bone.
A bone? Probably from the ground beef.
Chili.
Chili with a bone in it.
Yeah, with a bone in it. Either that or it was my tooth.
Until her macaroni too.
Oh, and macaroni.
You ate macaroni too, didn't you? And an apple.
That
Could've-
can be only one.
Look how much he's ate off that apple with gums. See, a person without teeth can eat, huh, buddy? You have just proven it.